My name is Ryan Ploughe. We're here at WJ Titan, and this is In the Lab. Today I'm going to briefly discuss using VB script inside of your programs. Now, a lot of software allows the inclusion of a VB scripting language. A lot of them is Cypress Enable, which is a very specific caveat of VB script. Other software has allowed the Windows PowerShell application inside of their software. Now, I know I just said a lot of words, but what that means is there are certain functionalities or even math functions that a lot of softwares don't naturally incorporate inside of them. What that means for an operator or programmer is if I want to intersect specific features, I can't always do that with the availability of options inside the program. Sometimes I have to use a VB script to generate those XYZ coordinates and generate a point at that spot. There's also other times where ladder logic plays an important role, and doing it inside of the program can be cumbersome, whereas I can use a text file to generate a VB script outside of software that it then uploads and then reads from. In another video I've done, we talked about parametric programming. VB script allows me to use external files and external databases to pour information from and then push information to. A lot of operators don't touch the VB script side of the software simply because you don't need it on normal operation. Sometimes you do encounter situations where you want the software to do something, it won't do it, so you have to figure out another way. And oftentimes VB script can be that way. If you guys have questions about VB scripting or how to implement it or what you've used in the past or an obstacle you came across that you overcome with the VB script software, don't be afraid to drop a comment below, reach out to us, email my sales team. We'd gladly start a dialogue with you. Again, my name is Ryan Ploughe. I'm here at WJ Titan, and this is In the Lab.